ka ka mang kala dia han ha te ni san kala ka bing men ho ne nga san ka tem thi si ka ra nga ren the chu the ji is no habits are still under construction kyang phong now out te toang becoming better takes one step at a time the Vowns life gives us at different stages shape our habits based on our experiences. Like cement or sand that can still be moved and filled. Love and hate, weakness and strength are all still uneven and imperfect while we are under construction. For example, the principle that too much of anything loses value. It simply means we haven't fully understood that lesson yet. We are still being built. Everyone will inevitably go through this while we are still under construction. But there's the beautiful truth. You have complete freedom to choose what ingredients go into building yourself. So the best version of you is yours to create.